I will show you how to register a new pharmacy product and a new pharmacy item and retail item. On the Role Center, I open the pharmacy product list and I press New to register a new pharmacy product. I press Enter to automatically assign a product ID. I type in the description as losartan, LSPH, 50 milligrams. I type in the strength as 50 and the strength unit as milligrams, automatically creating the strength text as 50 milligrams. The form code is a tablet. This product requires a prescription. It can be substituted and is available. If I press Show More, I see the field Control Group Code. That field can be important, especially when working with narcotics. These need to be specially classified, and regulators might need reports on all movements of narcotics. However, this item here is just a general medicine in the control group A. I finally select the ATC code as C09CA01. So now I have a pharmacy product that describes the medicine we're going to sell. However, to be able to work with the product, I need to create a pharmacy item and a retail item that I will do in the next lesson.